from the SNS College of Physiotherapy. So this is an NDT based video which I am going to conduct a quiz competition between you. Okay. So the quiz competition is mainly based on the anatomy. So you guys were the team A and you guys were the team B. Okay. So team A, the first question is, when we eat something, we like our mouth waters. Okay. So this is actually not a water but the fluid which is secreted from. Okay. I am repeating the question. When we eat something that we like, our mouth automatically waters. So this is actually not a water but the fluid secreted from. So the options are A. Nasal glands, B. Epithelium, C. Salivary glands, and D. Tongue. So salivary glands is the right answer. So now the question is for team B. Which of the following is known as the Vox voice? I am repeating the question. So which of the following is known as a Vox voice? So the options are A. Trachea, B. Pharynx, C. Epiglottis, and D. Larynx. Just raise your hand and answer it. Are you sure? So the trachea is wrong answer. So automatically the question is passing to the next thing. Right? So larynx is the right answer. Okay. So the Vox voice is also called as larynx. So now the question is for team A1. Which one among the following will be absorbed fastest through the wall of digestive system? Okay. I am repeating the question. Which one among the following will be absorbed fastest through the walls of digestive system? So the options are A. Black coffee as a hot beverage, B. DDT taken as a poison, C. Raw alcohol taken as a drink, and D. Ice cream as a dessert. So which of the following is easily and fastly absorbed through our walls of digestive system? A. Black coffee, B. Poison, C. Alcohol, and D. Ice cream. Black coffee is the wrong answer. Alcohol is the right answer. Okay. So the pointers goes for team B. Okay. So now the question is for team B itself. So cutting and peeling of onion bring tears in the eyes because of the presence of. Okay. I am repeating the question. Cutting and peeling of the onion bring tears to the eyes because of the presence of A. Sulfur in the cell, B. Carbon in the cell, C. Fat in the cell, and D. Amino acid in the cell. Anyone? If anyone knows the answer, just raise your hand and answer. D. Amino acid. So D. Amino acids is the wrong answer. So automatically the question is for team A. Sulfur, carbon, fat, and amino acid. Which one? So carbon is the wrong answer. So automatically both two teams have done the wrong answer. So sulfur one is the right answer. So sulfur that present in the onion leads to tears in our lacrimal glands. Okay. So now the question is for team B1. So which of the following is not an enzyme of the human anatomy? I am repeating the question. Which one of the following is not an enzyme of the human anatomy? So option A, amylase, option B, pepsin, option C, somatotrophin, option D, trypsin. I am repeating the question. Which one of the following is not an enzyme of the human anatomy? A, amylase, B, pepsin, C. Somatotrophin, and D. Trypsin. So C. Somatotrophin. Who will answer the first? I think answer? Trypsin is the right answer. Okay. So now the question is for team B. Which one of the following is not a part of small intestine in the human anatomy? Okay. So which one of the following is not a part of small intestine in the human anatomy? A. Cesium, B. Duodenum, C. Jejunum, and D. Ileum. Okay. So I am repeating the question. Which one of the following is not a part of the small intestine? So A. Cesium, B. duodenum, C. jejunum, and D. ileum. So option A, cesium, is the right answer. Okay. So by end of this round, so team A scores more point. So by the end of this, team A has been announced as the winner of this session. So see you on next video. Thank you.